To make the body, we're going to cut a circle of 21 centimeters. Then you can use satin and burn the edge, right? So it doesn't fray. Or if you're going to use cotton fabric, make a hem or add a little lace here. For those who want to add lace, we'll need about 60 to 65 centimeters of lace. And this fabric here, guys, is poplin, but any fabric will work. Use whatever you have at home. If you have a sewing machine, let's sew it here with the machine. If you don't, sew it by hand or glue it. Everything will look beautiful. I sewed the lace all the way around here. Now we're going to mark it like this, okay? Look, I sewed it with a zigzag stitch. If you don't have that, you can do a straight stitch too. I'll mark all the way around here, like this, 4 centimeters. Let's put a few stitches here, like this, see? We're going to do this all the way around. Now we just need to follow this marking here and baste all the way around, like this. Because then this circle will become the body and the skirt. Look, for the fabric yo-yo, make little stitches down and up. It's easy like this, down and up, down and up. Let's go all the way around here. After we baste all the way around here, just pull a little bit and let's fill it with stuffing. Pull it, adjust it there. Look, look.
Oh.
Just keep adding the stuffing. Keep pressing it. Keep adjusting it here. Yeah, pull just a little bit. Let's see if it's full, okay? When you think it's full enough, just pull here and finish it off. Be careful not to break it so it doesn't get too full, okay? Then, after we finish it off, look, come here. Just fix it a little like this, so the skirt gets all gathered evenly, right? So it doesn't end up more on one side than the other. Just fix it up a bit so it looks really pretty, okay? To make the head, we're going to cut a 10 centimeter circle. I like to use unbleached cotton fabric, but any cotton fabric will work. Just align it, stitch all the way around here. Stuff it. Stuff it with fiberfill. Girls and boys, have you already subscribed to the channel? Subscribe down below. Just click on subscribe. Don't leave it for later. Do it now. Click on the bell so every time I record a video, every time I upload a video here to the channel, you'll be notified. Share this video. Just like this video is helping you, it will help other artisans too. Share it because you're helping me and also helping someone else who needs it. Go ahead and share the crafts, okay? Let's fill this world with beauty. Baste everything and pull just a little. Fill this with stuffing. And then I finish it off. I think it's easier. I'm going to make 2 little stitches here so it doesn't come undone. I think it's easier to close it and then add the stuffing that's missing. Look, it's not full, right? It looks bad. I'm going to add more stuffing here. I think it's easier this way. See? Now I'm going to poke the stuffing here with the scissors until this head gets really round and really pretty. Nice and round, see? Really cute. To make the hat, we'll need a 14 centimeter circle. Just look here on the channel for how to make a circle, and you'll like it. Now let's baste all the way around here. After we baste everything, let's put it like this on the head so we can measure the exact size. Put the head here, pull it, and adjust it, and I'll finish it off so I can pull everything here properly, so it doesn't get gathered to just one side. Now we can even take it off here, see? And move it to one side, move it to the other, and adjust the gathering here. I'll put it back here again. There are many girls who tell me that they're making dolls and the depression is going away. The sadness is going away. Guys, you have no idea what it's like to have a little doll like this smiling at you. I can't even explain it, okay? Yeah, I say it's a gift from God. Look, I fixed it here. Now we're going to sew all around the edge to attach the hat to the head. We're going to do this until we get back here again. Let's cut a little ribbon here. Look. Burn it here with the lighter to seal it. And let's glue it on the doll's head. On the other doll, I sewed it, look. It was with little stitches. Then some girls asked, "Can you glue it?" Look, you can do that too. Let's be careful here and use just a little glue, okay? This is the part I want facing up. So let's start here. So you have to be careful to use just a little bit of glue so it doesn't look messy. Messy. Let's keep working on this patiently. Look. If you use just a little bit of glue, it'll actually look even nicer than if you sew it, because there won't be any stitches showing, right? Just be careful so the glue doesn't show. Look. Let's go here first. I could have even left a little more here. Look. Let's cut here. It'll be easier to burn before gluing. Just run the lighter here, briefly. Don't forget to burn this tip, otherwise it'll fray later. And then... It also works with glue, you know. I'm going to glue on a half pearl, but you can glue anything cute or leave it without anything. Everything looks pretty. Now this little body here is very flat, see? I'm going to squeeze it here, see? So it gets a little longer. I'm going to choose the side that looks cuter and glue the head on. There! Like I said, some people don't have hot glue. There are even kids who follow me here on the channel and say they don't have hot glue, right? There's Bruno. I remember his name, right? There's Bruno who's making it and tells me he doesn't have hot glue. He can't buy it. So sew it, guys. Just stitch it. Let's use what we have at home so we can make some money, save up, and then buy more materials. If you used hot glue, wait a little bit for it to dry so it doesn't show. To make the little sleeve, we're going to cut two 10-centimeter circles and make a yo-yo. Then we do it like this. Look, folding and stitching. If you find this fold difficult, just make the fold, but with this fold here, it looks more finished. If you have trouble making this fold, just make a regular fold, but there's no secret to it. Look, just fold it and keep stitching. Look, fold a little piece and keep stitching. Once you've basted all the way around, pull the thread. Look how beautiful the yo-yo looks like this, guys. Put a little stitch down here and finish it off. The little sleeve is ready. To make the arms, we cut two 10-centimeter cords, 10 centimeters. In some places, people call it cattail or rat tail cord, but this is cotton cord. There, look, just tie a knot here at the end. If you want, you can make a little hand to put here, if you like to get creative, right? Making it look nice, see? Glue it here. Look how easy it is. Now you just have to glue it onto the body. Let's glue a little bow there to make it look more finished. Look, it's already cute like this. But if we add a little bow, it'll look even prettier. Here on the channel, I teach how to make this little bow. You can use any kind of bow, right? You can leave it without one. But if you want to make a bow just like this one, I'll leave it here, look. You just have to click here. Look how it gets cuter. The more we work on it, the prettier it gets. To make the legs, I cut a 30-centimeter cord. I'm going to tie a little knot at the end here, but you can make little shoes and it'll look even cuter. But I like to teach in the easiest way. I'll leave the style up to you to get creative. Fold it here in the middle. And let's glue it here. Guys, have you already shared this video on social media? If you're enjoying it, give it a like. Look how beautiful that is. Now you just have to paint it in whatever way you find easiest. I like to paint with an Acrylex pen, a Micron 005 pen, and the magic pen that erases with heat. But you can paint in whatever way you find easiest. And our girl is ready. That's what I tell you guys. Look, is it possible not to fall in love? Is it possible to feel sad while making a doll? Oh, it's enchanting, isn't it? Look, this one is from the other video, right? You can even play mommy and daughter, see? Tell me the kids won't fall in love. Even we do. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.